We are very excited to announce our fall event, Unstoppable, is going to be held in the beautiful city of Albena, Bulgaria. I'm excited. I've never been there before. This event will be the biggest attended event in the history of our company, and we are excited because not only are we going to fly into the Varna airport, because this is more of a resort area, not only are we doing the event, but we've negotiated to take over the entire hotel. We're doing a hotel buyout. So we've got phenomenal rates, but I don't know if you've ever been a part of an event like this, but the only people in the entire property are going to be our people. And when you get your room there, it includes all of your meals. So we have a screaming, amazing, phenomenal deal. We would love to be able to do this at every event. That's the only problem with doing something like this, is we just can't do it at every event. But we are going to be able to do it in November. We're so excited. I'll be training at the event. Stavros and Georgiou will be training at the event. We have our special guest, Daniel G. You'll be getting more of him. Some of you guys saw him at A View from the Edge. He'll be doing more stage time at this event. So we're really excited to have Daniel along with us a second time. And we're also going to have a couple of key trainers from the field that are part of our family. Meaning, when I say the field, they're part of our Life Mastery training family. They're people who attend events, but they're so good at what they do that we're inviting them to be special guest trainers at this event as well. Unstoppable is our business event. It's the one that teaches you how to sell, how to negotiate, how to overcome objectives, how to start a business, how to think like an entrepreneur, how to build a sales team, how to work with your employees, how to do everything you need to do to be able to earn a lot of money and then be able to spend it the way that people who understand money spend their money. Robert Kiyosaki says, either you're a slave to money or money is a slave for you. So this event focuses exclusively on our financial pillar. Now, you'll find out there'll be elements of spiritual, there'll be elements of social, there's going to be elements even of physical, because it all does work together. But the primary takeaways you're going to have from this event is how to make more money and how to properly spend or invest your money so that you can make money a slave for you. So when you look at it that way, the cost of the event is so insignificant. And I know that right now we're running an early bird special. So again, if you're paying full price, you're still getting a tremendous, tremendous value. But if you're working with one of our company ambassadors and you can get a significant discount right now because it's the early bird period, I would recommend doing that as soon as you possibly can, because this price will not last very long.